Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the channel. So as you know, the Volkswagen Up is now finished, it's up for sale. There is a few changes going to be to the channel. So obviously I was doing it on my own at my house. As you know, when the Polo wasn't there at the body shop, I could work on the Volkswagen Up at home because I had one extra space. Obviously the Polo's finished, I haven't got space at home to build on cars. So I've gone in with my friend Pete. He's not new to salvage, he's been doing it longer than me. He's probably been doing it 7-10 years. I've only been doing it, what, 3 or 4? Obviously the last year on YouTube, but years before that off YouTube. So he is a bit camera shy, I'll be honest, but I'll try and get him behind the camera very soon. So today's video, well, it's parked next to me, is the new project car. Well, we won 2 cars. We've been bidding for about 3 weeks. IAAI, Cinetic and COPART. We've been struggling to win cars as prices. Literally some of the cars with big damage are going for like nearly retail price. And then you got to put your fees on top. So we just held out, kept bidding. If we didn't win, new car keeps getting posted. So the first car we're going to show in today's video has come from COPART Whitburn, which is in. So let's show you what we've bought then. Let's get straight to the cinematics. So as you see from the cinematics, we've bought a 2014 Range Rover Evoque Dynamic. Really great car, 45,000 miles, good spec. We'll talk about the spec when we go around the car a bit later on. But as you know, we bid on cars blind. I think I previously said in some of my other videos. This one was in Scotland. I ain't got the time to drive or fly out to Scotland. So just took the chance, which with this one, I did expect a lot more damage than what the car has got, which, yeah, that's a bonus for us. As you can see, that's the damage to the car. I'll give you a quick view of the damage in today's video, but I'll go more into depth when I'm stripping it down in the following video. So there's damage to the bumper. So the bumper's going to need replacing. I personally think the accident, so it's hit the bumper and the wheel, smashed the plastic wings and slid into the door. No more damage further back. Obviously the A-post, which is this one here, if you don't know what an A-post is, which goes to the bottom. I can't see no, obviously we'll see in the next video, I'm just giving you a quick view. I can't see no buckles or any dents in this area. Obviously, like we know, the hinges for the door will need replacing. It's a no-brainer. You know, an impact like that to the door, you wouldn't use the old hinges. Door's damaged. Door still opens and shuts. The B pillar, which is this one here, I can't see no dents or buckles. Same lower down. The side skirt, well, parts of the side skirts in the boot, there is some broken parts off this car inside the boot. That's removed, which kind of good for this video. I can show no dents or anything in this area. So I'll just show you around the car quickly. Here's the rear. Obviously it will get fully cleaned when the car's, you know, finished. Electric tailgate, 360 cameras on this as well. I'll show you when I start up. So yes, here's some broken parts, which I know some people, they'll look on the part numbers on there, but I think I previously stated in one of my videos I use PartsLink 24, bang the VIN, I can get all the genuine prices and all the part numbers for this car. So before I wrap the video up, obviously here's the front of the interior, full leather electric with the memory buttons. It's got the Meridian speakers, pan roof. It's also got, I'm selling the car. It's also got 360 cameras with 45,000 miles. I'm recording this today, the 22nd of August. I tend to do that on a lot of my videos. Record the same day, post it the same night as I'm recording off my phone. It is a start and drive. There's only 2 lights on. One's tyre pressure monitoring system because of the driver's tyre, and the fuel light. Yeah, it runs really nice. So as you saw, that's our new project. Sorry that this video is a short one. Normally I like my in-depth videos, you know, a bit longer, how you do that, etc. but I couldn't wait any longer to show you what we've bought. So if you stay with us on the channel, you'll see in the next video when we strip down it, is there going to be any hidden damage behind all these broken parts. So thank you for watching. If you do like the video, press that like button. If you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll get a notification when there's a new video up. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.